Imagine having your very own sound engineer right in your ear, perfectly tuning the world around you so every conversation, every note, and every whisper comes through crystal clear. Over-the-counter hearing aid sound is primarily adjusted through three main methods: a companion smartphone application, physical buttons directly on the device, or by selecting from preset programs. The goal is always to personalize your listening experience, making sounds just right for your unique hearing needs and environment. The reason for these adjustable features is simple. Over-the-counter hearing aids are designed to help individuals with perceived mild to moderate hearing loss. Since everyone's hearing profile is a little different, and sound environments vary greatly throughout your day, being able to fine-tune your device is crucial. These adjustments help compensate for specific frequency losses and adapt to various soundscapes, ensuring you hear what you need to hear, when you need to hear it. The most common and comprehensive way to adjust your over-the-counter hearing aids is through a dedicated smartphone application. After pairing your devices via Bluetooth, these apps typically offer a range of controls. You can usually increase or decrease the overall volume, adjust the balance of bass and treble, or even activate noise reduction features for noisy places. Many apps also provide specific environment settings, such as a restaurant mode, an outdoors mode, or a television mode, allowing you to quickly optimize sound for different situations with a simple tap. Some even include an initial setup guide that walks you through a basic hearing check or a questionnaire to create a personalized starting profile. For simpler models, you might find physical buttons on the hearing aid itself. These buttons often allow you to cycle through volume levels or switch between a limited number of pre-programmed modes. While less granular than app control, they offer convenient adjustments without needing your phone. Remember to consult your device's instruction manual to understand what each button does. The ability to fine-tune your devices offers what we call soundscape customization. This means you can actively sculpt the sound environment to best suit your needs at any given moment. Whether it is boosting the higher frequency treble sounds to better understand speech, or lowering the low-frequency bass sounds to reduce background rumble, you are in control. This real-time adjustment capability is a significant advantage, allowing you to adapt seamlessly to the dynamic acoustic challenges of everyday life. Taking control of your over-the-counter hearing aid settings empowers you to achieve optimal clarity and comfort in your daily interactions. By understanding and utilizing these adjustment methods, you unlock the full potential of your devices, significantly enhancing your overall quality of life through better hearing and improved communication.